September has arrived, and while there's no chill in the air, football fever has spread amongst Wildcat fans from coast to coast. That's what a 2-0 start and a top 25 ranking will do for you. Tonight, in the team's final non-conference game of the regular season, the Wildcats host South Carolina State University Bulldogs.
Pretty good week of practice. Your focus has been pretty good. And I think you're ready to play. You've worked your ass off to become relevant, have you not?
Yes, sir.
I mean, think of all the work you put in to be relevant. But people are now talking about you. People are now talking about Arizona. They're talking about you. You are on the ticker. You have become relevant. You've worked your ass off to become relevant. Now, every play that we play from here on out keeps us relevant. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have to defend that relevancy on every snap. That's every guy on the sideline, every guy on the field. Our standard of play is never compromised. We talked about that last night. That's what playing Arizona is all about. Our standard of play is never compromised. No matter who's in the game, no matter the situation, on every play. On every play. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's every man in this room's responsibility. That they understand when they play Arizona. In 60 minutes of playing Arizona.
Scott out of the shotgun from the right hash, takes the snap, looking left, rolling right, looking to throw pump fake, he'll run it to the 5, dives for the end zone, and he's in! Touchdown, Arizona!
That's Scott. He can do it all. He rolls to the right, he does a play action.
Makes the snap, play fake, throws right, caught by Buckner inside the 15, stays on his feet, 10-5, touchdown, Arizona!
Buckner had an opportunity to go down, he put his hand down, kept his balance, just made a spectacular play for a touchdown.
Left as well, handoff, carry the right side to the 5, he goes in untouched, touchdown, Arizona.
That play works so perfectly because Arizona's tight end just completely sealed the edge.
Wildcats with a shutout tonight, they go to 3-0. Outstanding start under Rich Rodriguez. Conference play starts next week.
You guys that came in and played, all right, you played your ass off and looked like, I'm proud of it. Hey, let's correct what we need to fix, all right, for tomorrow. All right, after 24 hours or less than 24 hours, I'm not even waiting 24 hours, we're going to start thinking about Oregon. You follow me? Let's go.
Hey, where's Terrence at? You got my back? I got your back. You got my back? I got your back. You got my back? I got your back. Bear down on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bear down. 1, 2, 3. Bear down, Arizona. Chiefs. Bear down, red and blue. Chiefs, Chiefs. Bear down, Arizona. Chiefs. Hit 'em hard, let 'em know who's who. Fight, fight. Bear down, Arizona. Chiefs. Bear down, red and blue. Chiefs, Chiefs. Go, go. Wildcats go. Arizona. Bear down. Time to get turned.